Dah dengar bunyi KPI tu lah kan.
Geometry is used in architecture, interior design, and construction for stable and visually appealing structures. Navigation, maps, and route planning rely on geometry to calculate distance and plan efficient paths. Artists and designers apply geometric shapes and pattern for visual harmony in their works. Geometry studies the size, shapes, and position of objects. What are the use of geometry in real life? For introduction, knowledge of geometry is vital for computer graphics and solving structural problems. Everyday activities like cooking, sewing, and DIY projects involve geometry for measurement and precision.
Hello guys, so how to play? Hmm, we are going to calculate two different things. First, we are going to calculate about cake and vending machine. So let's go. Are you ready for case one?
Let's go.
Let's go.
Okay, let me tell you the history of cake. Cake, in general, any of a variety of breads, shortened or unshortened, usually shaped by the tin in which it is baked, or more specifically, a sweetened bread, often rich or delicate. In the United States, cakes usually are made by one of three methods. In the conventional method, the sugar and fat are creamed together, the egg added, and a mixture of flour, salt, and baking powder mixed in alternately with the liquid, beginning and ending with dry ingredient. Chiffon cake is made by a modification of the muffin method, in which the egg white is beaten separately and blended with the other mixed ingredient. Shortened cakes made by this method can be baked in flat layer pans, in loaf pan, or in individual cups, and can be baked at oven temperature of 315 to 400 Fahrenheit.
SAIF, I got this cake for you.
Hey, thank you guys. It is. Wow, it's amazing. But guys, I think we can use this cake for our geometry project.
Oh yes, I get your idea. We can calculate the surface area and we can also calculate the volume for it.
Yeah, I think it's a good idea too. Let's go.
So this cake has 3 1cm layer cake with 0.7 cm icing in between of each layer, which made the total height of this cake is 5.1 cm. This cake is 1/10 of the whole cake, and the angle of this cake is 36 degree. The total radius of this cake is 11.5 cm.
First of all, for the calculation of the cake, we have to find the volume for the slice of a cake. Volume for the formula of volume is base times height, with the information given before in the video. So we just into the formula, key in the information into the formula, and final answer we will get 211.8926 cm cube. As for the arc length, we use the given formula, which is theta over 360 times 2 times pi times r, which is we will get the final answer is 7.225 cm. Okay, next calculation, we have to find surface area of the slide of a cake. From the slide, we can know that a slice of cake have 5 surface area. So we just put everything into the formula. Like here, 2 times 4, 41.5476 close bracket, plus 2 times 11.5 times 5.1 close bracket, plus 7.2257 times 5.1 close bracket, and we solve everything. At the end, we get the final answer is 237.2461 cm square. For addition, we also have to find the volume of the layer of the cake without the cream, which is we just substitute into the formula, which is 336 over 360 times pi times 11.5 square times 1, because the layer of the cake is 1. It's 1 cm. The height of cake is 1 cm. And also we have 3 layer cakes. So we just times the answer on the above times 3, which is the final answer we will get 146.6428 cm cube. Okay, lastly, we also have to find the volume for the icing of the cake. To find the icing of the cake, we just have to minus the volume between the size of cake and volume of the layer of the cake, which is with the calculation with the answer we got before. Volume for the size of cake is 211.8926 minus with the volume of the layer cake, which is 146.6428, and the final answer we will get 65.2498 cm cube. Okay, then we move on to the problem statement of this case. The problem statement is Saif wanted to know more about the cake. From the calculation, find how much the cost of the flour for the whole cake. If every 100 cm cube of the cake without icing need 120 gram flour and 1 kg packet flour equals to 3 ringgit. How many packet needed and the cost of it?
Okay, hi and assalamualaikum. I am going to answer the question that Kai taught previously. So, I'm going to calculate the volume of the whole cake. Firstly, 360 over 36 equal to 10 slices. So, 1 slices equal to 211.8926. So, we are going to search about 10 slices. 10 slices equal to x. I assume that because we want to calculate the 10 slices. So 1 over 10 equal to 211.8926 over x. So x equal to 2118.926 centimeter cube. Alright. Alright, so I'm back. Alright, we're going to continue about previously calculation. Right now, I am going to calculate the volume of the whole cake without cream. So it's easy. It starts with 146.6428 times 10 equal to 1466.428 centimeter cube. And lastly, we are going to calculate the weight of the flour. Firstly, 446.428 over 100 equal to 14.46428. Then 14.46428 times 120 equal to 1735.7136 gram. So I'm going to change it to kilogram. It becomes 1.7357 kilogram. So one packet flour, 1 kilogram. So two packet flour needed 3 ringgit over 2 equal to 6 ringgit for the flour. So that is the end for the cake. Now, are you ready for case 2? Before that, we are going to watch some short video. Let's go.
Probá para creer, Coca-Cola Cero, el auténtico sabor cero calorías.
I've been wondering for a while, how does this machine hold a lot of drinks at one time? Do you have any idea?
That's a great thinking, actually. How about we go check it out?
Yes, I think that's a good idea. Let's go! Come on.
You're back with me again for the facts about vending machine. A vending machine is a widespread feature at railway stations and post offices, dispensing envelopes, postcards, and notepaper. The machine was invented by Percival Everett in 1883. The first modern coin-operated vending machines were introduced in London, England, in the early 1800s, dispensing postcards. Facts about vending machine. Vending or automated retailing is the process of selling merchandise via automated machine is increasingly known has a long history. The first recorded example of the vending machine came from Greek mathematician Hero of Alexandria, who invented a device that dispensed holy water inside Egyptian temple. I myself have measured the height, length, and width for the vending machine at our local. The height that I measured is 118 centimeter, length 135 centimeter, and width is 65 centimeter. And for the calculation, the whole vending machine volume is based on height. It means 135 multiplied by 65 and 118. It will total up to 1,579,500 centimeter cube. Meanwhile, the surface area of vending machine is 2 multiplied by 118 and 65 plus 2 multiplied by 135 and 118 plus 2 multiplied by 135 and 65. It will total up to 89,515 centimeter square.
So the situation is, Afi wanted to know how much does the vending machine can hold the can drink at one time. With 3 rows and each row contain 14 slots of different type of water but has the same volume with radius equal to 2.5 cm and height is 10 cm. The volume for each slot is 4,800 cm cube. Okay, the next one. The volume of can. We use the formula of base times its height. Uh, the base is pi r square times height. Okay, so we enter the value pi times with 2.5 square times with 10. So we get the volume of a can drink is 196.3495 cm cube. Okay. So one row equal to 14 slot, which is 3 row, make a total of 42 slot. So we next we will find a total can in each slot. So we divided the total volume of each slot, which is 4,800, divided with the volume of a can, which is 196.3495 cm cube. We will get 24.4462. So we can conclude that each slot can hold 24 can at one time. Okay. So the total can in a vending machine at one time is 24 times with 42. So we get 1008 cans at one time.
As for the conclusion for the case 1, counting a piece of cake from a large cake may depend on your intentions. If a goal is to divide the cake fairly, you can determine the size of the pieces by referring to your desired number of parts. So, the seller can sell the cake fairly to every customer. As for the conclusion for case 2, calculating about the vending machine depend on the information calculated. You may be able to determine the number of the sales, the popularity of a particular product, or the profit that may be made from the machine. That's all.
So that's all from us. Thanks for playing. We are sorry if there is any deficiency alongside our video. And bye. Good come from Allah and bad come from us. Goodbye.